Right, okay, I have to whisper because I don't want anyone to hear me because there's possibly people outside listening to me. But we're on the boat thing now, on the way to Denmark. Scary because I can see the water. 1 minute, let me show. See it? Yeah, scary. I don't know even water. Like some of my few fears: trains, boats, and planes. They're just all scary things. Right, we're staying in this room tonight. 18 hours on this boat, and I just walked past this like group of like 20 like boys, and it was like quite scary, and that was really bright. But yeah, Mum and Evie are in the lounge right now, and the staring is just freaky. But yeah, whatever. I'm going to Denmark. Oh my god, I'm going. Right, so bloody thing isn't charging my phone. Well, it's good. Okay, yes. Got the same plug as in Turkey, so it's good one. And yeah.